Ever wondered what the future of electric vehicles looks like? Picture this. A car that turns heads, redefines innovation, and sets a new standard in design. Welcome to the world of the 2025 Tesla Model Q, a game changer in the making. Let's explore everything that makes this futuristic marvel truly extraordinary. But before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on groundbreaking automotive innovations. Your support keeps us going. The long-rumored Tesla Model Q, a compact, more affordable Tesla, is back in the spotlight. Fresh speculation suggests that this super mini-sized EV might soon get the green light from Elon Musk himself. Interestingly, the Model Q didn't make an appearance during Tesla's October announcements of the Cybercab and Robovan, leaving many to think the so-called Model 2 had been shelved. However, new reports from Chinese media tell a different story. Allegedly discussed during an investor meeting with Deutsche Bank, Tesla's head of investor relations reportedly referred to the Model Q by name. Even more intriguing, a starting price of under $30,000 after subsidies. According to these rumors, the Model Q could come with two battery options, 53 kilowatt-hours and 75 kilowatt-hours, offering a maximum range of over 300 miles. Perfect for urban commutes and weekend getaways alike. Tesla's buzz doesn't stop there. Wall Street Journal reporter Becky Peterson shared on social media that she's seen Deutsche Bank's report on the Model Q, adding even more credibility to these exciting claims. Now, let's take a closer look at the 2025 Tesla Model Q's jaw-dropping design. At the front, the sleek and aerodynamic silhouette catches the eye, while the minimalist grille symbolizes Tesla's electric-first vision. And those falcon-wing doors? They don't just look futuristic. They make getting in and out effortless, even in tight spaces. The LED headlights combine style with safety, offering optimal visibility in all conditions. Moving to the rear, the falcon-wing doors continue to impress, blending aesthetics with function. Modern, streamlined taillights give the Model Q a bold, futuristic vibe, while the iconic Tesla logo reminds everyone this is no ordinary vehicle. Step inside, and you'll see how Tesla redefines luxury and technology. The interior showcases a striking white and burgundy color palette, with leather seats exuding elegance. A massive central touchscreen dominates the minimalist dashboard, giving you intuitive control over every aspect of the car. Every detail, from the ergonomic steering wheel to premium materials, reflects Tesla's commitment to providing an unparalleled driving experience. Mark your calendars. Industry whispers hint at a mid-2025 release date. So, what's your take on the Tesla Model Q 2025? Could this be the electric car of your dreams? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the future of automotive innovation. Until next time, keep imagining the possibilities.